Assalamualaikum. Did you visit this Kuya Tantuni Turkish style dito sa Maple Grove, General Trias, Cavite? They have authentic Middle Eastern and Turkish style. They have hummus with bread and veggie samosa and beef tantuni Turkish style and chicken biryani and some other sweets like baklava.
Ito laham sa'yo. Asan? Dagdagan mo. Ha?
Sarap.
Mashallah. Sarap. Kain muna tayo.
Dito sa Islam, makakita ka ng CEO. Kasama, may-ari, kasama ang mga customer niya kumakain.
Gutom na kasi.
So they have two shops or two branch like katabi lang din ng Kuya Tantuni sa Maple Grove. This is more focused on Middle Eastern like kebab, sandwich, and Palestinian Syrian rice at kunafa.
Assalamualaikum. So andito yung owner na isang Syrian dito sa Maple Grove sa si Tantuni. Kuya Tantuni.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So invite them here. What do we have?
Almost everyone, I think you remember me in the last video that we have been.
Long
Yeah.
time ago. Dati pogi pa yun.
Yeah, it's like last year.
Yeah.
So I want to invite you again guys for our food. Don't forget we have the biryani rice here. And we have a new concept. We add a new food truck there on the other side.
Ayun lang Yeah.
Lahat ng kulang ng Middle Eastern food ay added there inshallah.
Okay.
So mag-visit kayo, antay inshallah sa inyo.
What time open dito at anong days? Anong araw?
We are open every day,
Yeah.
4 p.m. to 12
Okay.
middle night.
So,
Inshallah.
see you here. Don't
Inshallah
forget,
guys.
visit.
Assalamu alaikum.
Just visit Tantuni.